Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can give access Google Form to other people so they can be edited and so on. Alright, on the display when you create a Google Form, you can click three dots in the top right and you can select add collaborators. Alright, just add the people with email address and you can also add music. Optional, just click send, or you can adjust for the general access restricted or anyone with the link. So this public or restricted, just only people with access can open with the link. So just click done. Alright, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.